Yeah, it's your boy CONC'd, aka Jimmy Shootron. Told you was not gonna leave you hanging for mad long. Back with another weekly pickup video for you. Hollywood Apparel, lit, see, get fly with it. The most lit, authentic licensed merch you can get for your kicks. And I mean, just if you a big fan of, you know, the cartoons, TV shows, video games, Marvel, everything, all licensed official missile joints. But who got that? Go there. I got the link in the description. The first link in the description. Go there, shop up, get fly, match with your kicks. But y'all not here for that anyway. Y'all here to see the weekly pickup. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start this joint off right now. Up first, the Borgans. That's what I call them, the Borgans, because this is the born version of the organs. No O, no duck. But with that being said, I do like these a lot. So these are fire. I wish I had both, to be honest, this joint and the organs. But for now, I just got these, and I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that because I like these a lot. But still, I do call them the Borgan 5s. Still fire though. Moving on. This one is a Nike ID. This one is fire. So this one is one that I made. It's all olive green, got the gum bottom, sail midsole, sail sock liner, sail laces with that pink check. If you want to know the inspiration for these, it actually came from the Soul Collector, the Alligator Air Max 180s. These are my favorite Air Max 180s. I mean, and I need them, been looking for them, I must have them. And until then, I got these, so I'm still looking for these. But this was a Nike Bayou that I did, aka Nike ID, bomb, fire. Since we on the Air Max and that was just the Air Max 90, what is the best Air Max? To me, it's the Air Max 1. So speaking of that, right on time. Bam, the Limeades. Yo, these are a must cop. Especially if you got the lemonade joints, you have to get the Limeade joints. If you don't have the lemonade joints, this was your time to get the Limeades in the meantime. I like these laces in them. It's already in them, fire. These joints, these are insane. But yeah, gotta cop these joints. You have to. If you don't have them, get them. This, oh man, the sole got like limes on. Nah, these are dead fire. Limeade Air Max 1s. Get a pair. Whew, something different. Bo Jacksons. Oh my goodness. Damn. These are so crazy to me. So crazy. I mean, this silhouette is already extra fire. This colorway. Nah, son. See these shits? Nah, y'all, these are crazy. Moving on. Something you don't see me do every day. Keeping it G, I told her no wear no 350s on me. Well, I guess in this case, keeping it G, I told her she could wear some 350s on me. Carbons, Easy, 350s, V2s. I'm not the biggest fan of 350s, the V2s or 350s in general. There are a couple that I do like. This is a pair that I do like, so I think this is gonna be like my workout sneaker. If I ever do work out, to be honest, this might be, you know, just a quick little to go run on that treadmill or something. Carbons. But I'm mad I left the Air Maxes alone because now I gotta go back to them. You see, it's all about quality. These satin Air Max 1s is crazy. This whole joint is satin. These are fire. You see the logo on the back. Satin Air Max 1s. These are definitely what's must cop for me. I do think later on, like years from now, these are gonna be some crazy joints. But even if it is, I don't care. And if it's not, I don't care. I like them now, and I'm gonna like them then. Satin Air Max 1s. Since we on the Air Max, speaking of Air Maxes, Air Max One Daisies. Woo! Now these are insane. Probably one of my favorite Air Max 1s to drop this year. One of for sure, 100%, no questions asked. Yo, I remember when I first saw these, I thought this was like some Mirakamis or some Peace Minus One GG Dragon joints, but it's not. But it's crazy, fire. This black part right here, satin. The back black panel satin with the daisies on it. It got the lime green laces, the lime green air bubble, and the yellow corduroy check. I'm surprised it's not somebody's crazy collab. Yo, Nike, you did your thing on this. If this is somebody's collab, or I really don't know, so somebody tell me in the comments, but Nike, y'all did your thing crazy with this one. See, I know when y'all wanted, and look at that. Look at the bottom. Sky blue tongue, all that. You see, Nike, yo, when you want to get crazy and get busy, y'all do it. So salute, get the extra nod for these. Pause. Moving on. Shibuya. Shibuya Air Force Ones. This is the Halloween ones. You already know Shibuya came out with 3 Air Force Ones. This pair, the other pair I showed you on the weekly pickup a little while ago, and they have a black pair. They only came out in Tokyo to represent the city of Shibuya. This was one of them, and like I said, it's the Halloween pair, so I will be throwing these joints on the toe for Halloween. Yo, y'all remember back in the day, everybody had them see-through uppies and all that with wild different flavors and just joints that wasn't even real. Yeah, that might bring some of us back to that, like, oh, that remind me of that, but you know, if you had the official joints, you know they were crazy. So, official mission, as always, these are dead fire. Now, speaking of Uptowns, if I'm going to Air Force Ones, you know I gotta have something crazy and classic and legendary. So let's do it. Sheed! Woo! Crazy. Crazy. Like, there's nothing more to talk about, man. There's nothing more to talk about with these joints. And I know y'all remember these for the ones that was outside. I know y'all remember these. Crazy. This was one of the illest sheet that dropped. The low top joints. Bam. Patent leather, of course. Fire. Keeping joints a little different, you know, I'm always moving a little spicy, but it gotta do something crazy sometimes and jump out the window. And cop joint that y'all don't really usually see me cop, but it's joints that I like, and are classic, and I need it. Y'all see that, right? Do you? Rockefeller, students of the game, we passed the class, cause nobody could read you dudes like we do. The Adidas Superstar 35th Anniversary Rockefeller collab. Must crazy. This is in my top 5 shell toes of all time. Alright? In my top 5 of all time. Once I cop all 5, I will show y'all a video of my top 5 of all time. Rockefeller Tonga 35th anniversary. Insole got it. See that? That basically was on the tongue as well. Rockefeller Records on the bottom. Shit. And they got obviously the translucent bit, so not translucent outsole all around it. Insane, man. Liddy. Since we on Rockefeller, let's keep it going with Rockefeller. Geef. Cop them again. You can never have too many pairs of these at all. Rockefeller Air Force Ones 2017 version, the ones from Complex Con. You can never have too many pairs. Fire, 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 fire. Not gonna talk too much about these because you already know classic, legendary, noise, and it's litty. Another shoe I've been dying to cop. Finally got it. For some reason, resale on it went crazy at one point. Went OD crazy. So I'm like, I'm not getting them. I'm not getting them then until, I get them for the price I want. And that came right along, and that was Wings 5. One of the most underrated Jordan 5 to me. I don't know why these are not like going crazy, crazy, crazy. All the drawing and art on it is fire. Wings 5, definitely one of my favorite 5s. I'm not gonna say it's in my top 5 5s, but it's definitely one of my favorite, and definitely probably my favorite of all the Wing Jordans, to be honest. Lastly, you know, when I ended off, the weekly pickup is always something crazy, so that's what we're gonna do. Bam. Uh-oh, pink box. Y'all know what that means. Y'all know that box. Come on. Y'all know that box. Woo! Huff SB. Oh my goodness, man. You cannot look at that tie-dye. This joint was so lit, they had to put it in the What the Dunks. Y'all know that tie-dye is on the What the Dunks. Look at that, the Huff Dunks Highs SBs. But with that said, let me tell you this. RIP to Keith Huffnagel. He is the founder of Huff. He happened to pass away. Unfortunate, so RIP to you. You definitely changed the game. Salute. Rest in power, brother. Eczema shoe. And there we go. You already know. Weekly pickup. CO Unseated. I will be back again with another weekly pickup for the gang. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that. CO Unseated.